Hi everyone, this is Raju Madhi, Assistant Professor of EC Department, Warangal Institute of Technology and Science. Today my topic is binary arithmetic operations. Here binary means the binary numbers having two numbers, those are 1 and 0. The binary number system having the base or radix of 2, and here the binary arithmetic operations are like first one, that is addition and second one subtraction and third one multiplication and fourth one division. So all these arithmetic operations will be performed by using the binary digits. Take it as the binary number. Here I am taking one example for the binary number, that is 1010.11. okay, 1010. This is indicated with a decimal that is equal to 10 value. Okay, and this fraction value, this indicates that is 0.5 and this is equal to 0.25, and when we are adding these two numbers, then we will get 0.75. So this is the equivalent value for the decimal value. Coming to the binary digits 1010.11, here we have the two values, that is this indicates the most significant bit. This is called as most significant bit. And coming to this one, this is called as LSB, that is called as least significant bit. So here when we are performing the binary addition, subtraction, multiplication and division, here we have to perform in between the binary operations like ones and zeros. Okay, coming to the binary addition, when we perform the binary addition, here for the binary addition, here 1 plus 0 is equal to 1 and 0 plus 0 is equal to 0 and 0 plus 1 is equal to 1 and again 1 plus 1 is equal to, here that is equal to 0, and carry will be generated. This is called as carry. Okay, so that means this is carry forward to the next digits. Okay, and that means this is treated as most significant bit. Okay, and coming to the subtraction of the binary arithmetic operations, when we take 0 minus 0 is equal to 0 minus 0 is equal to 0 and 0 minus 1 is equal to, that is equal to, see the 0 minus 1, it is not possible, so that's why we have to subtract 1 minus 0 is equal to, that is equal to 1, and this will becomes 0. This will becomes 0. So that's why here the equivalent decimal value for this 10 is equal to 2 and this is equal to 1. 2 minus 1 is equal to, here we are getting 1. Okay, so that means 0 1 is equal to, this is equal to 1. Okay, so and 0 minus 1 is equal to 1 and again 1 minus 1 is equal to 0 and 1 minus 0 is equal to 1. Okay, so when we are taking the two binary digits, we will get the combination of 2 square is equal to 4. That means we will get 4 combinations for the subtraction. Okay, next coming to the multiplication, when we take the multiplication, 0 cross 0 is equal to 0 and 0 cross 1 is equal to 0 and again 1 cross 0 is equal to 0 and 1 cross 1 is equal to 1. Okay, so this is the multiplication of the binary operations. And coming to the division, 0 by 0 is equal to 0 and 0 by 1 is equal to 0 and 1 by 1 is equal to 1 and 1 by 0 is equal to, this is not possible here. Okay, so this is the binary arithmetic operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Okay, we will see first one, that is arithmetic operations, additions like binary addition. Coming to the binary addition, here I am taking the binary digits like 1010.11. Okay, so this is equal to decimal value of 10.75, and here this value is I am adding to the another binary digits. Here I am taking 111.01. So this is equal to the decimal value of 7.25. So this is having the base of 10. That means the decimal number having the base of 10 and the binary digits having the base of 2. So when we are performing the addition for the binary arithmetic operations, then we will get 1 plus 1 is equal to 0, and here carry will be generated, and 1 plus 1 is equal to, again here we are getting 0, and this carry is carry forward to the next most significant bit, and again 0 plus 1 is equal to 1 and 1 plus 1 is equal to 0 here, and here the carry will be forwarded, and 1 plus 1 is equal to 0 and carry will be forwarded here, and here we have another one. So 0 plus 1 is equal to, here we are getting 1. Again next 0 plus 1 is equal to 1 and 1 plus 1 is equal to 0 here, and carry will be forwarded, and 1 plus 1 is equal to here 0 and carry, and so this is the equivalent of the binary addition. So and this will be indicated in terms of decimal. So ఈ decimal లో మనం యాడ్ చేసినప్పుడు ఏమవుతుందమ్మా అంటే 5 plus 5 is equal to 0 and 7 8 9 10, and then we will get again here we are getting 1 and 7 plus 1 is equal to 8, and we have to get the 18.00. So this is the binary digits, and when we are converting the binary digits into decimal, then we have to get this equivalent 18. See here this is equal to 2 to the power of 0 and 2 to the power of 1 and 2 square and 2 to the power of 3 and 2 to the power of 4. So that is equal to 2 to the power of 4 is equal to 16, and 2 to the power of 3 into 0 is equal to, this is equal to 0, and again this 2 square into 0 is equal to 0, and 2 to the power of 1 is equal to 2, and 2 into 1 is equal to, here we are getting 2. So 16 plus 2 is equal to, here we are getting 8. So this is the operation of addition in terms of binary arithmetic operations. Okay, next coming to the second one, that is subtraction. Coming to the subtraction, here I am taking the binary digits, that is 1011.10. So this is equal to 8 plus 2 plus 1. 8 plus 2 plus 1 is equal to 11.5. Here this is the higher value, and we have to subtract the lower value with the higher value. So here I am taking 110.01. So this is equal to, this is indicated in terms of decimal, that is equal to 1 and 2 4. That means 6.25. So we already discussed that 0 minus 0 is equal to 0 and 0 minus 1 is equal to 1, and borrow will be generated, and 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. So here 0 minus 1 is equal to 1, and this will becomes 0. So again 0 minus 0 is equal to 0. point 1 minus 0 is equal to 1 here, and 1 minus 1 is equal to 0 here, and 0 minus 1 is equal to 1, and this will becomes 0. Okay, so here we are getting the value of this is equal to 4 and 1, that is equal to 5.25 we are getting. And when we are subtracting the decimal equivalent value, then we will get this is equal to 0 minus 5 is equal to 5, and 4 minus 2 is equal to 2 point 10 minus 6 is equal to 4 plus 1 is equal to 5. So here this is equal, so that means that the value is exactly. So this is the subtraction of the binary operations. Next, here the third one, that is multiplication, binary multiplication. Coming to the binary multiplication, here 0 into 0 equal to 0, and 1 into 0 is equal to 0, and 0 into 1 is equal to 0, and 1 into 1 is equal to 1. So these are all the combinations we have to get, and here I am taking any binary value. So these are all the 4 combinations we are getting here for the multiplication, and I am taking the binary digits 101, and this is the multiplicand, and here I am taking the multiplier, this is will be taken as multiplier, and here again one value taken, that is double 1, here I am taking double 1. So 101 equivalent decimal value is equal to, this is 1 to 4, that is equal to 5, and this is equal to 3. Then 5 into 3 is equal to, we have to get 15. Okay, when we are performing the binary multiplication, we will get 1 cross 1 is equal to 1, and 1 cross 0 is equal to 0, 1 cross 1 is equal to 1, and again 1 cross 1 is equal to 1, 1 cross 0 is equal to 0, and 1 cross 1 is equal to 1. And when we are performing the addition, we will get 0 plus 1 is equal to 1, and 1 plus 0 is equal to 1, and again 1. So this is the final value. And here we already discussed that the number system in the hexadecimal, we will get the 4 combinations of the binary value. This is equal to A, this is equal to A, and that is equal to, in the decimal, that is equal to 15. So that is value is correct, exactly right. Next one, binary division. Okay, binary divisions. Here I am taking the binary value, that is 1010, that is equal to 10 in the decimal value, and here I am taking 10, that is equal to 2, that is equal to 2. So 10 by 2 is equal to, we have to get the 5 value, and here I am performing the division for the 1010 divided with 10. Okay, 1010 here 10, and we will get 0 minus 0 is equal to 0, and 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. Okay, and take it as the value 1, and we have to substitute the value here 0, because of here we are taking the 0 value, 2 values. When we are taking the 2 values, we have to take 0 here. Okay, so I am taking the value 0 here again, and 1010 here we are getting 10. Okay, so 0 minus 0 is equal to 0, and 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. So the 10 value. So when we are dividing the 1010, that is 10 value with the 10 value, then we are getting the 101, that is equal to 5. So this is the binary division operation in the binary arithmetic operations, right?